Good morning, middle schoolers. This is Ms. Gizzarelli, and I'll be hosting today's virtual assembly. Here are the announcements for this week. On Friday, May 1st, middle school students and parents will receive information about class registration for the 2020-2021 school year. This information will be sent by email. Students will receive the class description booklet and the class registration form. This year, registration for classes will be completed electronically. Don't forget that this Friday is also a holiday, so no need to log on for virtual learning. Middle school students have been doing a great job getting to your online class on time. We're very proud of you. We want to remind you about how important it is that you are on time for these meetings. And last but not least, please make sure that you check PowerSchool. Your teachers have been updating their PowerSchool gradebook. If you have any questions about your grades, please make sure that you speak with your teacher. There will be 8th grade question and answer combined advisory meetings regarding registration this upcoming week with Ms. Cullen and Mr. Garcia. All 8th grade students should be aware of this meeting and have access to the link to join. This information has been sent home to their parents as well as posted in the 8th grade Google Advisory chat room. All 8th grade registration meetings will be during advisory from 10:20 to 10:40. Please take a minute to find your advisor and jot down the date of your combined advisory meeting. Our student shout out this week goes to 8th grader Sarah Cabinet. Sarah will be moving back to Chicago next week, but before she goes, we wanted to bid her a proper farewell. We will miss you, Sarah, and we wish you the very best on your next adventure. Today's student announcement is brought to you by 8th grader Sophia Weddle, who wanted to bring a little humor during this time to her peers. She is asking all of you to respond to the following question. On a scale of 1 to 27, what's your favorite color of the alphabet? I don't know, Sophia. That's a really tough one. But if you have a favorite color of the alphabet, please comment below in the comment section of Google Classroom. All right, here is the moment that you have all been waiting for. This week's Minute to Win It Challenge is the Cotton Ball Challenge, brought to you by me, Miss G. If you would like to win points for your house, please check out the challenge document on Google Classroom for instructions on how to participate. That is it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to check Google Classroom for the challenge document. Have a great day.